Okay, so here now we need to simplify here, and we've got three sort of terms, if you like, we need to focus on. First one, second one, third one. We need to get a common surd again. Now looking at this, it's not so obvious as before, but because I can see here root 3, okay, it's looking likely that that will be the case. But if we're not sure, we just take the first term here, first surd 75, and we just need to think here of a pair of numbers that multiply to give 75. And of course 25, doesn't it, goes into 75, and I know 25 is a square number, so 75 times 3 give me 75, and if I split that up, of course square root of 25 is 5, isn't it, so that'll be 5 root 3, alright. Then the next one then, so if we rationalise that, okay, that's what I've gone for straight away because it's root 3 on the bottom. Let's times top and bottom by root 3. You get 9 root 3 on the top, and of course root 3 times root 3 is just 3, and gets rid of the square root, and you can divide these, so that becomes 3 root 3. Alright. Finally then you've got this. You just wonder now, how am I going to get this to root 3? Well, there's a couple of ways you could do it. You could you know, appreciate when you're timesing surds together, you can put them under 1 square root, yeah? So 6 times 2. Of course, 6 times 2 is 12. So you get square root of 12, and then you can try and break 12 down, okay? So putting them together gives you 12. Try and break it down. Try and find a pair now that multiplies to give root 12, okay? Try and give 12. And of course, the pair is 4 and 3. So 4 times 3 gives you 12. 4 is a square number, so we'll split that up. So you get 2 root 3, okay? There is another way of doing that actually, okay? It might be useful to see another way. You don't need to do another way once you've got the answer, but you could think of splitting up root 6, okay? Because if you think about root 6, even though there isn't a pair where we've got a square number, that's not important in this case, because with root 6, we could think of root 6 as root 2 times root 3, couldn't we? We could think of 6 like that. Okay, and then if we split this up, we get root 2 times root 3 times root 2. Yeah? And then the root 2's go together, don't they? The root 2 times root 2 is 2. So we get 2 root 3. So that's another way to think about that. Okay, putting it together then, final answer, you get 5 root 3. Okay, then it says in the question to take away 3 root 3, and then you've got to add the 2 root 3. Okay, so that becomes 4 root 3, my final answer. Okay.